Hi everyone, this is Richard. In this video, let's talk about the number types. Okay, so the ints and the doubles. So we use the keyword int, variable first equals, we'll initialize it for 22. Second and double treble, we'll initialize that with 3.1 because doubles are non-integers, decimals. So, by the way, there's a lot more different types than this, and they go on and on and on. We don't need to know this. There are, different types of numbers. Otherwise, that's more for optimizing your system, making it run faster, using less memory. Again, as beginners, we don't need to learn this. If we do, there's no way I'm learning this. Okay, so let's just stick with the basics. And as we get super advanced, then we'll start, and we're really worried about optimizing, speeding up the code, using less memory, then we'll use these other variables. We'll come on back and learn them later, okay? So integer types, you can add them together, right? So unlike a string, it would be 22, 5. This would just outright add the numbers and it would be 27, right? So we can actually do that. We can add a number, an int with a double, okay? So we can do that. Is that legal? Yes, it actually is legal, so we could do things like that. We could divide them, let me see here. We could divide them, multiply them. These are called, the things here, arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators, let's multiply them. What sometimes is a little bit handy is the percent sign. Percent sign is the remainder. So remainder 4, remainder 2, it should be 2. It's the remainder itself. Okay, so sometimes you want to know the remainder of it. If there's a remainder, it doesn't evenly get divided in there. If I put 20, what's the value of that? It should be 0. The remainder is 0. Okay, so that's very helpful. Different ways we can manipulate these things off and on. Let me think here. There's ways to convert doubles to all these values. That's a lot more complicated. Let's go over that in a future video. But that's integers in general. Play around with this. Get to know what they actually do. Remember these values. There's multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. What else is there? Oh, these are the main ones, remainder. Those are the main ones, okay, with what we want to do. All right, so I think that was about it with this one. Okay, thanks a lot.